Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we on vibrate mode in our Samsung phone. Friends, we want to on your phone vibrate mode settings. So friend, how can you on and friend, how can you use your phone vibrate setting today? I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we on vibrate mode setting guys. First of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Hence you can see your phone sound and vibration guys. Tap on sound and vibration. Hence you can see guys your sound mode setting guys. You can see vibrate mode setting guys. So we will on from here. After on guys, you can see vibrate mode icon on your screen, and when your phone is vibrate mode, so when your phone will vibrate, so you can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to on vibrate mode in our Samsung mobile. So bye bye friends. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your sound and vibration setting guys? You can ask me comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye guys.